video. So we are playing ranked 1v1. Let's see who wins. This is... Nah, he banned it. And a paintball gun because I know he has a paintball gun. I can read why did he ban this. Okay, we can just use a better... I wanted to play with the pixel sniper. Crossbow with daggers, knife. I love my BALISOng. Oh my god, I love this update. What the hell does he have? What the hell of a weapon does he have? Oh, you want to do a knife for me? Bros cooked. Bros cooked. Bros fried. Bros air fried. Bros air fried. Let's with the dagger. Take the daggers. Eat the daggers. So I don't want to eat bread. My tummy is full. Yeah, boy. Let me toss it. Please don't hit me. Why? Why should I not hit you? You are also hitting me. Why should I not hit you? Nah, here's a pencil. I don't love pencils. Oh, daggers, nice. Yeah, I love my dream book. She's gonna get thrown down. Yes! My magic word is BIN. You know, I'm not popular, but I'm still making videos. Yeah, boy! And you should subscribe to Krish Dash 606 because he is my very good friend. And please subscribe to him because he is also in need of subscribers. So let's play. Nah, he came out of nowhere. He is good now. I keep saying that, but I don't. Oh my god. Oh no, I got cooked. If he didn't ban sniper, he would be cooked. He always was in a knife. I'm only a bronze. So I'm not good at it. I've just reached 100. I'm 107. Okay, this feels dangerous to me. Nah. He's cool. Sorry. What the hell was that? I just got cooked by that. Tomorrow I'll have to create a video. I love my medkit. That's my dream. Look at this. Yo, I ran from you. You can never find me. I love this. Yes. I just wanna go and yeah, boy! A literal pencil wears a butterfly knife. Who will win? Guys, we get up to 50 subs, I'll give you skin kits, and I'm not lying. I'll actually give you your skin kits. Just write your username in the comments when I reach 50. And also subscribe to my other channel, Super Show. I have 2 channels. Just calm down. He's scared. He's scared. If the map was arena, he would be cooked because I'm good at map would be an arena. Yeah, boy! The hitbox is so big. I love this. I love this. I love this. Bloody. I love this. I'm going to hit you so hard that you will remember. Oh! I forgot. Yo! I love this. Bloody. Let's play a normal one. I don't want to play a chicken game because you keep stopping and I don't know how. But auto shooters are dead. Because if a player... Where did I go? Man, I stink! My dear friends. Okay, why can't I get into a single one? Wow! Why did you put me in a duel if the duel is freaking cancelled? Sorry if the video is too long. But I don't care. Now sandbox. Arena. Don't tell me he's going to pick sniper in the clash. Nah, I won't. Let's pick sniper. Terror. Katana. I don't have to do that. No, it's a dagger. Nah, you can't kill me. You can't. Nah, you missed. You missed. Nah! He did not miss. We gotta get this serious, man. We gotta do it serious. I'm not going to fall for that again. Attack to with his auto revolver. Why do I hate to hit auto shoot? What did they do? They make fake levels. Ah! Why katana? He's spamming katana. Yeah, boy. Me katana boy too. Newbie. I play better than you, newbie. Nebula. Oh, Nebula. I love this loadout. You ain't gonna kill me. He's going to do katana again, right? He's good. He has on the legs. Access denied. I hate these katanas. Yes, he is one shot. I hate these auto shoots. I am getting 3-1. I just need 4 points. He needs only 2. I'm cooked. If I lose, I Lil bro, come. Where is it? I'm going to get trapped. Ah! I wish I had one. Yo! BIN, the words have been spoken. Why am I always left with 2 bullets? No! Oh my God. Take this, get banana. Nah, I lost. I lost. I think I could be Let's go to the hub and fight them. Let's go to the hub. What is in this new update? I don't understand. And bye guys. This is the end. Bye guys. Have a nice day. Peace.